Fuck it.
Purchase your tracks today.
Yeah. Still in the Magic City Monopoly, man. Niggas already know what to do with me, man. Fuck being real, my nigga. Fuck being hood out here, my nigga. Just be true with this shit, nigga. Be true to yourself, my nigga. That's what this shit all about, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, long story short, nigga, like, you a magnet, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's a cold world, but I'm the fucking sun. Shout out to my daughters, shout out to my son. AC gotta get it, it's the same struggle. Mind over matter, I got the same mother. Everything really fucking want. They don't really understand what the fuck has just begun. I do it for my people. They think that we were fucking lost. They think they fucking crazy. I watch that shit out tomato sauce. That you motherfucking try to trick with me. You think I was trapped in? Damn, I'm fucking up my words, but I ain't rapping. Fuck this shit, my nigga. I'm just freestyling, man. This my style, dude. These niggas fucking crazy. I'm just living free and wild, dude. Fuck a trial, dude. You can't judge me. These niggas, they crazy, bitch. You pretty inside, you ugly. Fuck it, that's how I feel. Fucking really. These niggas don't understand how I fucking feel. Fucking really, how I live. Fucking really. You ask me, man, I live righteous. These niggas crazy. Better get like us. They hear me talking about shit they don't understand. The way I look at this shit, nigga, you understand? Fuck it.
Purchase your tracks today.